Most YouTube channels don't fail because of bad editing. They fail because they choose video ideas nobody is looking for. And if you fix that one mistake, everything else becomes easier. Titles, thumbnails, and growth. In this video, I'll show you how to choose video ideas that people already want to click. When most beginners start a channel, they ask the wrong question. They ask, what should I make a video about? But successful creators ask a different question. They ask, what problem are people already trying to solve? Because YouTube isn't driven by the random whims of creators. It's driven by what viewers are looking for. Every day, millions of people search for answers on problems like these. How to make money, or how to solve problems, or how to make life easier, or how to improve something in their life. The videos that solve those problems get clicks naturally, but videos without clear outcomes aren't going to get those clicks. This is why some videos grow consistently, while others don't. It's not because of production quality. It's because of idea clarity. A strong video idea always delivers a clear outcome, like something useful, or something practical, or something specific. For example, compare these two ideas. My experience starting a YouTube channel versus how to start a faceless YouTube channel step by step. The second idea performs better because the outcome is clear and the viewer knows exactly what they'll gain. It's this clarity that makes clicking easy. The best video ideas usually come from problems people already have. Questions people are already asking, and solutions people are already searching for. Not random inspiration, not guessing, only solving real problems. When you focus on solving problems instead of creating content, your channel becomes useful. And useful channels grow faster. They grow faster because viewers don't just watch once. They come back for more. And once you learn how to choose strong ideas, every part of YouTube becomes easier. Titles become clearer, thumbnails become simpler, and growth becomes predictable instead of random. Once you start choosing better ideas, the next challenge isn't about starting. It's all about staying consistent long enough to see results. Because most channels quit before growth begins. And that's what we'll cover next.